Guys, good morning and happy Friday. So please join with me. Magbo-breakfast tayo. Siyempre sa umaga, kailangan natin ng hot coffee. So meron tayong hot coffee nandito kasama ng ating Trifle Delight Cake. So ayan guys, napakasarap niyan. Meron tayong Trifle Delight Cakes. So siyempre ang flavor niyan is ubi, cheese at saka yung dark ay alam natin na yan ay chocolate. Kaya tinawag na Trifle Delight Cakes. So napakasarap po ng ating breakfast for today. So please guys, join with me. Come on. So ayan.